Whether you're an individual or a business, if you're looking to capture your audience's attention, then you must first understand the concept of visual storytelling. In a world where attention spans are becoming shorter and shorter each day, what you as a creator must focus on is the ability to share tales that not only capture attention but also cause the audience to engage and interact with your content. To do that, a good story alone is not enough. You must also harness the power of motion graphics, which can breathe life into your stories, and that is exactly what visual storytelling does. With motion graphics as an incredible powerhouse of creativity, let's take a look at what they are and how they can benefit you through your visual storytelling. What are motion graphics? Did you know that visual content receives 94% more views than text-only content? However, having images or graphics just doesn't cut it anymore. Graphics, although a great alternative to creating mental images through text, don't hold the user's attention as much as they used to. This is why the concept of motion graphics is essential. Adding minor or major animations to visuals can create a huge impact. With motion that can be added to text, vectors, images, icons, and many others, this versatility can be a dynamic asset in the right hands. What is the role of motion graphics in storytelling? While storytelling is a great means to grab a user's attention, what also matters is ensuring there is content retention. This is where motion graphics come into play. They create visuals that set the scene, explain complex concepts, and evoke emotions through visual stimuli that will aid your audience in remembering the concepts longer. Alongside its ability for retention, it is also a great means to create a cohesive visual identity for a brand. One such great example is McDonald's. The golden arches and bright red, through visuals, have embedded themselves in our minds in a way that we can still identify them anywhere we see them, even without the brand logo. How to create visual storytelling with motion graphics? Creating visual storytelling with motion graphics involves blending design, animation, and narrative to convey a message in a dynamic, engaging way. Start with a clear story concept and map it out through a storyboard, breaking the narrative into key scenes. Design cohesive visual elements such as characters, icons, and typography that align with the story's tone, then use animation to enhance pacing, evoke emotion, and guide the audience's focus. Sound effects, music, and voiceovers can further elevate the experience, while data visualization and symbolic motion help explain complex ideas. Seamless transitions keep the flow natural, while testing and feedback ensure clarity and engagement. Once refined, optimize for various platforms and distribute the content, using motion graphics to turn your story into a captivating visual journey. Where can you find the best motion graphic designers for visual storytelling? With a team of top-tier motion graphic designers, we are dedicated to elevating your visual storytelling to new heights. Our elite designers blend creativity, technical mastery, and innovation to craft stunning animations and dynamic visuals that captivate and engage audiences. Whether you need to simplify complex data, tell a compelling brand story, or create impactful explainer videos, our experts have the skills to bring your vision to life. At Bizionic Technologies, you can trust that your visual storytelling is in the hands of the best in the industry. In a world of social media where users' attention is getting shorter by the day, it has become practically impossible to hold your audience's attention, and this is where the good old storytelling comes in. Everybody loves a story, but what fun are stories without a little creativity or motion graphics to take your audience on a journey by encapsulating them in the tale? Motion graphics are the spark that powers your story, enlightening it with energy and keeping your audience engaged. To get such engaging storytelling visuals, come to Bizionic, where we weave stories that not only captivate but also inspire. Get in touch with us today to capture your audience's attention with creative visuals.